The Nomad is a revolutionary manual lever espresso machine. Like the prized classic lever machines, the Nomad makes top-quality espresso while giving the user full control of the important brewing variables. Unlike the classic lever machines, the Nomad doesn't require a lot of space, time, money, or strength, or even electricity. In fact, wherever you have hot water and coffee, you can make first-class espresso and coffee drinks. This instructional video will demonstrate the basic elements of the Nomad: how to use the extra drawer to make 2 double espressos quickly, and how to use the Nomad in the classic mode without the True Crema Valve or the normal mode with the True Crema Valve. This is the coffee drawer, removed by opening the drawer latch and pulling the drawer out. Removing the drawer gives you access to the filter basket where ground coffee is placed. After adding coffee, the drawer is replaced and the drawer latch closed. Hot water is added to the water tank here. This is a 2-cylinder pump operated by the pump lever. When operated, it pumps hot water up to the coffee chamber. It is operated by placing the thumbs on top of the pump lever, fingers below the ledges, and then squeezing thumbs and fingers together. At the top of the machine is a pressure gauge that shows brew pressure. The rate of lever pumping will control the brew pressure. The brewed coffee exits at this corner and the espresso cup is placed here. The Nomad can be operated in the classic mode without the True Crema Valve, or TCV, where the fineness of grind is critical, or in the normal mode with the TCV, which compensates for grind quality, making it easier to make quality espresso. The TCV is a small brass cylinder that can be easily removed by unscrewing it from the bottom of the white brew chamber. To demonstrate this, I'm going to remove the TCV from one drawer and mark it red, and leave the TCV in place in the other drawer and mark it green. Then I will make 2 double shots of espresso in succession, the first in the classic mode without the TCV, and the second in the normal mode with the TCV. So here we have our 2 coffee drawers, red without TCV and green with TCV. Next, I'm going to grind coffee for the 2 coffee drawers. First, an extra fine grind for the red drawer without TCV, then a fine grind for the green drawer with TCV. I'm going to measure out and load 2 containers with 16 grams of each. So here is 16 grams of extra fine grind marked red for the red drawer. Now we reduce the grinder setting for a slightly coarser grind and again measure out 16 grams of fine grind for the green drawer. So here we have extra fine grind for the red drawer without TCV and fine grind for the green drawer with TCV, 16 grams of each. Now we will load the 2 drawers, first the red drawer, filling with the entire 16 grams and tamping. With this amount of coffee, you can see that after tamping, the coffee level sits about 8 millimeters or 5/16 of an inch below the filter basket top edge. Next, we load the green drawer again with the entire 16 grams and tamp. Here we have 2 loaded drawers, red for the classic espresso pull and green for the True Crema Valve pull. The first shot will use the red drawer to make the classic espresso shot. Now we add hot water, filling the water tank since we are going to make 2 double shots. Next, we perform a pre-soak by pumping the lever 12 strokes. Then wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Now start to pull the shot. As we pump, the pressure will rise. When the pressure reaches the green zone on the pressure gauge, slow down the pumping rate to keep the pressure near 9 bars. The coffee flow will begin. Continue to pump the lever to maintain the pressure near 9 bars until the desired amount of espresso is in the cup. As the pull finishes, swap in a drip catching cup. Now remove the red marked drawer and swap in the green marked drawer. Put a new cup under the coffee exit. Perform the same 12-stroke pre-soak, and then wait 10 seconds and pull the shot. Again, pump to bring the pressure up to and maintain near 9 bars. Stop when the desired amount of espresso has filled the cup and swap it out with a drip catching cup. Here we have the result. 2 crema-rich espresso shots made one after the other, one in the classic method without using the True Crema Valve, and one made with the True Crema Valve. The Nomad makes it easy to make high-quality espresso shots cup after cup after cup.